Hello, good evening to everyone. It's me, Zhaneth again. Welcome back to my channel. This evening, I would like to share to all of you the continuation of my tote bag. This is my first video, the small one. And I would like to continue with this a little bit bigger. So, please join me until the project is done. Yeah, this is the continuation of my first project. And yeah, it's a little bit big than the other one. And while this one have a lining, I put lining of this project. Put the lining. But before of that, before I sew to the edges of the main tote bag, I would like to put some pocket. So this is, I prepare the pocket. I sew to the edges first before I fix to the main tote bag. And this is for my handle. Yeah, I put into 4 and I sew to the edges. And let's continue. Now, this is the handle after I sew to the edges. That's the result of my handle. Yeah. And I continue to the pocket. Now, I fix the pocket first. Yeah. Why I sew to the edges first? Because this one is like nylon. Why I sew to the edges first? Because this one is like a nylon. This one is waterproof. And I don't have the sticker to glue it, to fix it. So I sew to the edges first. So that is easiest for me to fix the pocket to the main tote bag. So let's fix the pocket, and after that, after we fix the pocket and we sew to the edges. Yeah. Now I would like to put the pocket also to the lining. Yeah, that is the pocket inside. I sew to the edges. Now the pocket in the lining is done. Yeah. And we sew to the edges and fix together. Also this one, the exterior of my tote bag. Also this one we sew to the edges. Yeah, and fix together. Insert the lining and put the handle, and that's it. Now after we put the lining and I fix the handle like that, and I sew to the edges, and our tote bag is done. Now, our tote bag is done. After we sew to the edges, yeah, everything is fixed. The handle and the lining, that you can see the lining. Yeah, I love to have a lining. It's look nice and clean like that. See, so that's the project this evening, and I hope you enjoy. Now our project is done. This tote bag a little bit bigger, have lining inside, have pocket also, and this one is waterproof. This I use the fabric is waterproof. Yeah, so it's nice, it's good for the kids. So if you have any question regarding about this one, and yeah, please just comment down below. I answer as I can. Hope you enjoy to my video. Please like and subscribe, and see you to my next video. Good evening to everyone.